Welcome to Rust Buster's installation guide for Dodge's 2003 to 2005 Ram 1500. Before you begin, if you are uncomfortable performing any of these procedures, we strongly suggest seeking a qualified professional. Make sure you have all required tools and utilities. Follow all manufacturer safety precautions. Step 1. Disconnect the vehicle's battery. Inspect for fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines or engine components. Repair or remove any hazards before starting. Step 2. Remove the front wheel and front fender liner. Uninstall the core support hardware and cushion, then lift the core support. Step 3. Locate the core support mount on the frame. Cut off the factory core support mount by cutting the welds that hold it to the frame rail. Step 4. Grind the work area clean of rust and debris and apply weld-through primer. Step 5. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the core support mount in place, then fully weld all edges. Finally, apply a rust-inhibiting top coat to the mount and work area. We recommend our Rust Buster Rust Converter and Primer Spray Paint. Once dry, reinstall the core support cushion and core support, reinstall the fender liner, and reinstall the wheel.